Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here on NailPossible. In this video, we're going to use reverse nail stamping to create this flowery tile design. We start applying a base coat to all our nails. Next, we're going to apply this purple polish. To reach full opacity on this color, we're going to add a second coat. And we clean up the cuticles. Let's add some liquid latex to the nails that we're going to be stamping. For the design, I'm going to use this plate from Moyo London's Mexico collection and a gold polish. Once the design is on the stamper, we're going to use this pink polish to fill in part of the image. And when we're done, we stamp the image on the nail. And we make another one for the other nail. Here I'm just separating the image a little bit so it doesn't rip when I remove the liquid latex. And now we can remove it. We clean up any residue left. And we add a top coat. We're finished with our flowery tile design. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!